Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play eFootball. Let's start with the absolute basics of movement and passing. To move your player, use the left analog stick. For a simple ground pass, tap the short pass button. A through ball requires holding the pass button slightly longer to send it into space. Shooting is done by pressing the shoot button, and the longer you hold it, the more powerful the shot. Defending involves using the pressure button to close down opponents and the tackle button for challenges. Now let's dive into attacking. Through balls are crucial for breaking defensive lines. Aim them into space for your forwards to run onto. The 1-2 pass, executed by passing and then immediately pressing the through ball button, creates quick give-and-go opportunities. Dribbling is key to beating defenders. Use the dash button for bursts of speed and the special controls for various skill moves. Mastering these will open up many scoring chances. Effective defense is vital for winning matches. Always apply pressure to the opponent with the ball using the pressure button, forcing them into mistakes. Anticipate passes and position your players to intercept them, cutting off passing lanes. When an opponent is about to shoot, try to block the shot by positioning a defender in the way. Slide tackles can be powerful, but time them carefully to avoid fouls and yellow cards. Finally, remember that practice makes perfect. Spend time in training mode to refine your skills and try out different strategies. Experiment with various formations and player roles to find what suits your playstyle best. Mastering set pieces, like free kicks and corners, can give you a significant advantage in close games. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals to help you stay organized and fueled for your gaming sessions. Keep practicing, and you'll see significant improvement in your eFootball game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.